All right, guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay, Bricks to Clicks. Absolutely. We'll endorse your product if you pay us.
Your logo here for money.
Yeah, we will sponsor. You can sponsor us or whatever. Or we'll take any free money. So last pallet.
Tampons, bourbon, we don't care.
Yeah, whatever, for sure. Box cutters, anything.
Heat guns.
Heat guns, box cutters, packaging materials, macaroni, pie with frosting.
No.
Anything.
Whipped cream, though.
Whipped cream. So last pallet out of 8. Pretty exciting to get through this stuff. Customer returns paid $6,500 for it all, so about $750 into each pallet. So far, a lot of good stuff. Like, it's been Christmas for us here. You know, filling up the shelves, getting it ready for Christmas, and sending a lot of stuff to Amazon, auction house, on it locally. So we'll see what we have left. I think this is going to be the best pallet yet. Best pallet yet out of the 8 pallets.
No.
We're about to see.
The only good thing is the R&D department.
R&D department, this man has probably $500 worth of Nerf guns over here that he needs to go through. It's a lot of Nerf guns.
Yeah, we do have a lot of the Fortnite too, which is really cool.
Yeah, we usually sell the Nerf Fortnite guns 2 for $50.
Yeah, 2 for 50.
2 for $50. He goes through and he tests them off. It's open. If it's new, obviously it's more money. But you know, we always try to give good deals. I mean, you're gonna open the package anyways and throw it away, right? So why pay more just for that packaging? So I'm hoping this is new. We're about to see. You're slowing my process.
No, you're in my way.
You gotta be
show
careful.
up for a video and decide to touch a pallet.
When I'm done here, I'm going back home and play Borderlands 3. So you be careful pulling the tape because it'll rip off the lithograph, and then you're not sending it to Amazon. Because I can send this. Yeah, just cut it.
Use a heat gun later.
Play it safe. Because right now, original tape on this side from the manufacturer. Original tape on this side from the manufacturer. So this is gonna be brand new. We're just gonna get this tape off, but this is brand new, and I bet you it's good money, really good money.
And all of you that work in the retail that take these pallets up like this, knock it off. You're
Shame on
wasting
you.
supplies.
Shame on you. You wonder why a company goes under? Because you people.
Just be smart with what you're doing. Stop wasting supplies.
What's your guess on this cruise ship?
150 bucks.
Damn. It's pretty close. I'm gonna say that's what I'm gonna put it on. It's on Amazon right now for $152.99. So we'll put it on for 150 bucks to get it gone. Clearly, it's a discontinued item. Great way to start this pallet.
Woo! That's probably auction.
That's an auction. Yeah, we'll just take it out of the box and stuff. But it looks like it. Someone just built it and returned it.
Right. Make it impossible to ship.
Yeah. No way shipping that. And this stuff, once these wheels are on,
You ain't coming off.
yeah, it ain't coming off. I wish you luck. But normally, you know, those are like 60 bucks. So, you know, at the auction, we'll be lucky to possibly get 20 for it. Is what it is. Here's your Nerf.
All the Nerf.
This one,
Yeah, it just looks like package damage on this side.
maybe this package. Maybe this package wasn't done.
Yeah. So because we got the rip there, we can't send it to Amazon, but we can turn around and sell it on eBay. There's still original tape just on the one edge there. Only this side has been open. So should be able to just
R&D.
R&D go.
That
through
one,
and
same
make sure
thing.
they
That one there?
No, that's
Okay.
gotta be a that's gotta be. Is it? That might be too then. That's hard to say. It almost looks like it's.
Maybe we'll take a heat gun to this and verify. My guess is why this got returned is someone cut it with a box across the top, but I'll leave it to Chris. He'll make determination on it. He likes going through this stuff. We have a lot of Nerf guns.
Yeah.
But, I mean,
especially with Christmas coming.
yeah.
Those will be hot. Nerf is always hot during Christmas time. Remember what we had those, was it bows last year? What did we have last year? A whole bunch of them, they were selling like crazy.
I don't remember.
I think it was a bow.
go through so much stuff. What's this?
It's all new.
It's all brand new, so these are nice little come-ups because this stuff will go right to Amazon. So we got some Clue lost in Vegas. So this stuff will go right to Amazon through their FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon. And these are 15 bucks a piece. We got 3 of them, so there's 45 bucks. 45.
Bugs in the kitchen.
Huh. Reminds me of when I used to live in the hood. And crickets.
And crickets. And we have crickets.
And we have crickets in the warehouse.
Crickets, frogs, dead frogs. Touch a dead frog.
This is probably good luck. So 15 bucks, so there's another 30 bucks in those.
We got some Art and Chill game by Bob Ross.
Beautiful.
Bobby.
What is it? Little beautiful mistakes or something. Happy mistakes. Happy mistakes.
Oh, like your kids?
Now, like I said last time about you, which your mom should have swallowed you.
Oh, wow, wow. That escalated quickly.
Well, I edited that out of the video.
Wow. Yeah.
So 20 bucks a piece on these. So Bobby is delivering.
Best part, we got a shipping box, a new box to ship some stuff in.
I love my shipping boxes. It saves me a lot of money. We have a little tight thing. Works. Looks to me like could be original tape. Maybe open. We'll verify. Check out the price on it. May not be worth that much, but we'll look. Maybe it's discontinued. Maybe it's worth $1 million.
I don't think this has been opened.
So we got another one up top. We'll be able to compare it real easy.
Did we check in? Oh yeah, it looks brand new. This thing's very sweet.
Check that out.
I wish this was going to the R&D department.
RC Mac. Wonder. I don't think I can send those though. I'll double check it. RC Mac new bright. So we have another one up top. It hasn't sold.
I don't know if we checked
Is that? Yeah, we may have not checked. Is it the black and red one?
Yeah.
So they're 125 bucks at Amazon
Very nice.
with no description.
Ah, not so nice.
I may send one though. We got 2 here, and we can send it. Sell through though is $650,000.
So what is
I mean,
that?
650,000. So each category on Amazon is ranked on a sell-through. So for this one, in that specific category, it has a sales rank of 644,000.
So in layman's terms, that'll move really slow.
It's
right?
gonna move slow, for sure. But that's where we want to get competitive, because when we do the research on this, if it's 40 bucks for Amazon to sell it, then we got some room that we can come down. And you know what? The stuff inside, sitting on it isn't worth anything until you get some money back.
I don't know what this is. But it looks kind of cool. And it's got its own box.
The back? Oh, it's that playset from the shirts.
Bat Cave.
The Primal Age Batcave. What?
We might keep this here and play with it instead of sell it. Not true. Chuck likes money way more than he likes toys.
Yeah, Chris likes to eat, so we gotta keep him happy. Let's check this out. I didn't even know a playset for this existed. I mean, that's freaking awesome. Brand new, in the box, original tape. And it has the original shipping box. You think it'd be worth a lot of money.
Yeah. It's probably like 70 bucks. We'll be let down.
40 bucks.
Ouch.
For this big ass playset. How's that even possible?
I don't know.
I mean, this is huge. This thing is gigantic.
It'll cost that much to ship it. Or sending it to Amazon.
It's going to Amazon. If we get a little bit of money for it, there's no stickers on it either. Go figure. I can't believe it's only worth that much. You think it'd be like rare, like no one liked it. It was, booty, and sell through on this is $250,000, so clearly it's not popular.
Honestly, I've never heard of the Primal series in Batman, so I'm just kind of...
Saying it exists. The rock crawler. Did we send that last time?
I don't know. There's 2 of them, though. And they're brand new, so hopefully they're good money.
So here you have an option. Send it to Amazon, possibly. Or you keep them here and sell them together, and you're going to save on shipping because it's in one box, which would be nice too. Because we sell a ton of these in pairs. We just sold 2 of them for $70 for parts only. Go figure.
And there's 2 of them, 2 different colors.
And there's 2. So this is colors may vary on the site. So these are $40 on Amazon. Let's see if I can send them. If I can send them, get rid of them. One less thing we've got to worry about. And I can send them, so we will get rid of them. There they go. So there's $80. I like the orange one.
Of course you do.
Orange one matches my car at home. All right, so we got $80, $30. So I'm way off. This will be the worst pallet yet in terms of money.
So can we back it up? And you said it was going to be the best one that we've seen the whole time.
You guys won't know it because I'm gonna edit everything out. Like, man, and then you won't even be in the opening scene because it's me talking about how bad I think this pallet's gonna be. Maybe I won't even edit anything. It'll just be raw footage.
I think that would be better.
You know, keep it real with you guys. Realistic stuff. The ups and downs, the wins, the losses. So we got a bunk bed, used.
We're gonna have to go through that one.
We just sold one. You had it completely laid out.
Yeah.
We just sold it for like $60 or something. So another one. Yeah, it's still, you know, let's lowball it, say $50. My guess is it's complete inside. I still see some of the original wrap inside. So it should still be $50. Not too bad, not too bad.
That's brand new.
Brand new, just squish packaging.
Yeah, some damage on the bottom there.
Again, customer returns don't always mean customer returns. And this is the New Bright Frenzy X10. Let's see what this is. So that one, there's only one on eBay right now. It's at $150. And so when I'm looking at eBay at different things, so this person, you know, he has pretty good feedback. So you know, nothing to complain there. He ships globally and stuff like that. $150. So, you know, for me, I would say he uses stock photos. We do not, so you can see exactly what you're buying. So you're not surprised when you get it. So for us, that may be our leg up over the competition, and we'll come in cheaper than what he'll come in. You know, maybe we'll do $139 or $129 to get rid of it. So all in all, we'll do $100 on that. Just play safe. So $585. Definitely fell short from it. There's a couple of things I didn't add though, so you know, maybe there's another $40 we'll get back possibly.
And you didn't add the nerf. So.
I didn't add the nerf either, so you know, I only added 9 items to it, but that's.
It'll be break.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it'll be probably about a break-even pallet thing, so not too bad.
They're all not home
yeah,
runs.
Pallet's empty. There's some of the auction stuff, and then your future video R&D department. You know what you need is one of those doctor suits. You know, the what's it called?
The lab jackets?
Yeah, the lab jacket. I think that'd be pretty sharp. So that's what we got for you guys. 8 pallets done, over with, and
soon to come food pallet.
Yeah, we're gonna try a food pallet out, which could be really freaking exciting for us. So that's what we got.
We're gonna eat it. We probably won't make money on it.
Next time you see us, we'll be bigger.
Yeah, chubbier.
Definitely. So like us, subscribe, follow us, whatever. If you don't like us,
still subscribe and still like us.
Yeah, I mean,
help us out.
Yeah, don't hate the game. Yeah. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is. All right, till next time.